Here's problem 11 from the 2014 AMC 8. Jack wants to bike from his house to Jill's house, which is 3 blocks east and 2 blocks north of Jack's house. After biking each block, Jack can continue either east or north, but he needs to avoid a dangerous intersection 1 block east and 1 block north of his house. In how many ways can he reach Jill's house by biking a total of 5 blocks? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's draw the streets. Jack starts at the green corner. Jill's house is 3 blocks east and 2 blocks north. At the yellow corner, the red X marks the dangerous intersection he must avoid. 1 block east and 1 block north of his house. First, let's ignore the danger. Every trip is 5 blocks long. 3 of them are east moves and 2 are north moves. A path is just a choice of which 2 of the 5 blocks are the north ones. The number of ways to choose 2 spots out of 5 is 5 times 4 over 2, which is 10. So there are 10 paths in total. Now let's count the bad paths. The ones that go through the dangerous corner. Split such a path in 2. From the start to the danger corner is 1 block east and 1 block north. And there are 2 ways to do that. From the danger corner onto Jill's house is 2 blocks east and 1 block north. And there are 3 ways to do that. Multiplying 2 times 3 gives 6 bad paths. Finally, we subtract the bad paths from the total. 10 minus 6 equals 4. So there are exactly 4 safe ways for Jack to reach Jill's house. The answer is 4, which is choice A.